it's Sophia, and I have this. So we have it. Oh, that's easy. These are easy to open. So now we have a pencils. So we have this orange one, we have this purple one, and we have this blue one, and we have this pink one. So let's see what happens. I'm with the pencil. Okay, pink does gray. Try out orange. If orange does the orange color. Nope, every color does the same thing, but let's try blue type.
They're frozen pencils, aren't they?
They're frozen pencils. So they got these at Walmart.
Yeah. Who's on your pencils?
Olaf, cutie Olaf, he looks so adorable. I want the pins and cheeks, that's what I want. And I was on this one all by myself. This one just has Elsa. And this one has Elsa and Anna. So that's all for today. Bye!